personal year. Now is the time to get busy and tend to work of every kind. 4 is the symbol of keeping your nose to the grindstone. Though you may not realize financial rewards this year, you will definitely reap the rewards eventually of experience and knowledge, which in turn can be applied when necessary to gain those same financial rewards you seek in the year they are destined. Whatever you plan to do in life, there is a period of organizing your original idea, then the actual implementation, and finally, the fruition. You have gone through all the preliminary cycles in your 1 through 3 years, and now you must really get down to work. Establish what it is you want to accomplish, set into motion the routine that allows you to do so, and organize your thoughts and time in such a way that nothing will interfere and deter you from reaching this goal. You may well find the burden heavy this year. You may have to work doubly hard to compensate for the lost labors of a coworker or mate, but fret not and accept the challenge cheerfully. Everything to which you apply yourself will pay dividends at another time. Expect little in the way of money, because this is simply not a good money cycle. That is, for outstanding or unexpected monies. You will naturally be paid well if you are employed by someone else and are putting in extra hours. A promotion, too, may be earned through this concentration of effort, so it isn't as though you can't expect nothing at all. However, the big returns will come later. No need to worry about where you will find the strength or determination for this effort, for the 4 vibration is one of strength and building. You will be endowed with all the necessary powers to stick with your project. In this year, you are in effect building the foundations for your entire future. So, with that in mind, no effort should seem too burdensome or distasteful. Though you will be building relationships as well as financial and career security, don't count on much of a romantic or social world. They will be a bit neglected for the time being, but only inasmuch as the excitement of the passion generally involved therein will be suppressed. It is a very good time to lay the foundation in personal relationships, because they are more likely to be built on intelligent understanding and compatibility than on blind love or sex appeal. Marriage takes on additional importance now, as both parties recognize that this isn't all fun and games, and that requires serious consideration, understanding, and effort. You will be putting so much more into it now than in your last cycle. Get your future aims settled between you and start working on fulfilling your goals. Though your compensation for all the work and effort you expend now will not show itself this year, it will definitely do so in your 5 year and continue building for the next few years as well.